When reading, even if you don't know it, you're always making an inference. But for fourth graders, we want to practice making inferences and we want to practice the skill a little bit more. So I want to remind you that an inference is what you already know. Okay, so that background knowledge we pull from our brain, the stuff we already know, and then we combine it with what the text already says. Okay, so we read the book, the text is giving us some information, we already know some stuff about the topic, our background knowledge, and then we mix them together and we make an inference. Okay, so for example, if you know that a storm contains dark clouds, lightning, thunder, and rain, okay, that's your background knowledge. Okay, but then the text says that the sky is dark, there's rolling thunder. What do you know might happen? Making an inference, the text says, pulling that background information, making an inference, what do you think is going to happen next? Okay, background knowledge, what the text says, you're making an inference. Okay, sometimes a question, if you're asked a question, it says, what can you infer from the text? That's making an inference, okay? Infer is the same as making an inference, okay?